everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download IXL application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download IXL application on your iPhone, first, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, tap open App Store. In the search box, type in IXL and press search. Once you find the IXL Maths and English application displayed in the search result, tap on the Get button to begin the downloading process. Now wait until your application gets downloaded, which is a quick process depending upon your internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open IXL on your iPhone. Now you can continue as a guest or assigning to an existing account and get started with the platform. IXL is a subscription-based learning platform that provides personalized learning in more than 9,000 topics covering math, language arts, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.